Hello and welcome. My name is Jeanette Stevens Cunningham, and I am the Director of Marketing and Content Services Delivery for GenEdge. And I'm going to take you through a really quick overview of how to create your free member account with the GenEdge Alliance. But first things first is how to access the Join the Alliance member page or landing page. You can do that really quickly. It's accessible from the home page in 3 places. So genedge.org is how to get to our home page. The top right-hand corner of the browser bar is the very first place that you can point to in order to get to our landing page. The second place would be right here in this red box. You can click the Join the Alliance button. And the final place on the home page is all the way at the bottom. In this red box, you would just click on the Join the Alliance button, which I'm going to go ahead and do. That will take you to the Join the Alliance landing page. And this is where you will be able to quickly create your free GenEdge member account. I would like to note that there is more information on this page about the GenEdge Alliance, what you get as a member, tools like Connects Virginia, which is a very powerful supply chain tool for manufacturers in Virginia. We have an amazing video that was produced by Jason Alkubi, President and CEO of the Virginia Economic Development Partnership. Definitely encourage you to take a listen to that. And as a member of the GenEdge Alliance, as long as you register or Connects Virginia before March 1st, you'll be able to receive national access to the Connects Marketplace for free for life, which is a $500 per year savings. So definitely check that out. But in the middle of the page here, this is where you'll be able to create your free GenEdge Alliance member account. You would just click on the button. Once you click on the button, it'll take you to the registration page, fill out the required information, and then hit submit. A little housekeeping to note, in order to be a member of the GenEdge Alliance, you do have to be a manufacturer or an employee of a manufacturing company, and you do have to reside in Virginia. Of course, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us, click on the Contact Us button, let us know what questions, suggestions, or feedback you may have. We really look forward to hearing from you, and welcome to the GenEdge Alliance.